What you looking for, Dan?
Something to play with.
Something to play with? The snow. Play with the snow.
I wish we had like two of those Nerf balls, cause one is just not one. We only have one now. Mom.
What? Oh, Charlie, thanks for helping.
I already have. Mommy and Thomas have shoveling on.
I'm gonna ask Dad about that. Oh, Pete, what you doing? Thank you. Can you smile to me? Yeah, good.